Well, we are back with the S13, and guess what? It's misfiring and breaking up. So, I already threw a fresh set of plugs in it. I'm going to try to re-gap those, and if those don't fix that, I have a new set of coils coming in tomorrow, along with something else. Maybe that surprise will go first, maybe it'll go after. I guess we're going to find out. But first, let's start with pulling these plugs, re-gapping them, and see if it still runs like shit. Hot take, it's okay to use impact to take spark plugs out. Alright, it's cold as shit out. I'm going inside to gap these because I don't feel like freezing my ass off. Alright, so they're gapped down to 0.23. So, versus before they were at about 0.30. So we're gonna hope this fixes the issue. But, kinda smells strong like fuel. So I got a feeling the coil packs are taking a shit. So we're gonna find out very shortly. Two, three, four. Alright, let's see if it still runs like shit. I'm gonna say it does. But first, let me pack up all my tools. It sounds like I fucking camping, bro. Like, what the fuck? You can't even see. Hold on. Like, yeah, this is no bueno. Alright, let's see what's good. Alright, truthfully, I really don't need to drive it to know that it's gonna be fixed. I know it's fucked. But fuck it, why not, right? Let's see. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, just sit right there. I don't know how well you can see anything, or if you can see anything at all. Look. Okay, right? Oh yeah. Nope, we're not driving it. So, just trying to get it out the driveway. It stalled. So, yeah, well, I don't need to drive it further. That's fine. I'm going to just park it back to where it usually goes. And we'll pick up this video when I have another idea. Alright, update. I replaced the injectors, plugs again, and new coil packs. So, we see for a test drive and find out.
Biggest wreck across.
I can't tell if it's like clearing up or not.
Yeah. Oh, I've been here before. Oh, it's definitely not.
Oh, look. Fuck me. Alright, well, looks like tomorrow we'll be doing a fuel pressure regulator.
Oh.
I'm so mad. I want to drift it so bad.
I know. Wow.
I'm gonna kill myself.
That's a hard mess.
Yeah, that's really bad.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a hard mess.
Yeah, alright, we're good. Alright, it's been a while since last time I picked up the camera. Currently a little sick right now, but trying to push through it, trying to figure out what's going on with this car, and I think I finally figured it out. I think it all stems from a boost leak right here. This is also loose here, which you wouldn't think is an issue, but it's after the MAF, so technically unmetered, unread air. So gonna try to go get some more vacuum line and potentially a hose to replace this, because this is all like hard and brittle, so that's not good. But I think once I fix that right there, this thing should run good again. And honestly, did I need to do new coils? No. Did I need to do no injectors? Probably not. But honestly, it's one of those things where it doesn't really hurt, and it'll probably just help the car run longer. So I'll try to get more vacuum line and all that and go from there. Alright, so vacuum line is hooked up again. Don't mind this hose, it's kind of kinked, but I think it's going to be okay to diag. So let's see how it starts up, if I can find the keys, which should be in one of my pockets. Alright, let's see. I don't think that was it. I still hear a little something. Alright, let's let it warm up and see. Alright, it's running even worse than before. And yep, this is pretty bad. I want to assume maybe there is just a bigger boost leak that I'm not seeing, and I just need to boost leak test it. But yeah, I don't know. Has me pretty stumped. It's like it's running like shit. All right, well, we're about to be back home, and I guess we'll see if we diag this further. But honestly, this is probably going to be an issue for another day. Like, listen to this. Shalom, hello. It's another day, and we're back to try and diagnose S13. We got a smoke tester. We're using the F80 as the power source since the battery's in the trunk here. And bingo, I think I found the problem. So let's take this off and see if that elbow is just cooked, which is what it's looking like. So I got it going straight into the turbo, so we're gonna find out. So more than likely Wendy, I'm really sorry. That's the cause of our issue right there. Split coupler the whole time. And the reason why I could not see this was because it was wrapped up in heat wrap. So obviously can't see it at that point. But I just ordered up a new one. It should be here tomorrow, hopefully. So tomorrow after I get back home from work, fingers crossed, that's all it is. Gonna slap that on and we should be good to go. All right, so as you've probably already seen, steering wheel in here clapped. Went and picked myself a polished Nardi with red stitch, and that's going to suit the car perfectly. It is a 350, so it's slightly bigger, but that's the trade-off I'm willing to work with. So let's slap this on real quick. So this hub, I really don't know if I trust it that much. I mean, I'm going to run it for now, but eventually, like, wait a second. Y'all see that? All right. I don't think that's not play in like the steering shaft. That is play in the hub itself. So I'm going to fix that, but this hub is definitely not staying because I don't trust this shit, man. Because what the fuck is that? Why are you rotating? Anyways, NRG hub eventually, probably. But I just want to see the steering wheel on here one time. Alright, well, update. The adapter I got doesn't work with this hub. And I thought this was a standard, steering wheel bore. But I'm going to assume it's not. So, for now, I tightened up these bolts, as we see. No more wobble. So I'm going to just slap this back on and call it a day. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm not going to lie. I definitely dropped one of the bolts. So, if you see me missing a bolt, mind your business. Kitty! Meow. What's going on? It's the next day. Got the new coupler. We're here. Ready to throw it in. Fingers crossed this fixes the issue. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. We shall see. But, gonna throw this on and see what happens. Also, sorry for the phone footage. One, it's too dark out here. Two, it's too much work to set up the camera when I'm rushing, so you get phone footage instead. All right. So, new coupler is on. See back there. Don't mind the zip tie I dropped onto the manifold, but it's back on. We shall start it soon and see if it fixed it. But before that, I gotta go take care of a couple of things. Don't mind the wheel missing. Wheels will be here later. But maybe I'll just send it and start it like this. I guess I'll see. Alright, so that's all back together. I'm just gonna hope for the best at this point. Let's see what happens. I wish I could test drive it. Just waiting on my wheels to get back. Oh, there we go. Don't mind that. So far, sounds pretty smooth now. Alright, I guess we'll see after cold start ends. It's kind of late, so I don't want to rev it too much, but I'll see how it idles out after this. Alright, can't drive it just yet, but she sounds pretty happy, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so I just gotta wait for the wheels to get here, man, and then test drive time and go from there. Alright, so one other thing I forgot to show on camera was this. So, as you see, that is dented. There's also another coupler on here that had a hole in it. And if we go look up front, that is now replaced as well. Eventually I have to make supports for the bottom of the intercooler, but yeah, I mean, I'm just letting it sit here and idle and warm up. So far it seems like it's doing good. All right, good news, it's finally fixed. So that means celebration time. I hope that shit's not all ice, because if it is, that's gonna suck. What do you think?
That's pretty good.
It's
Pretty icy. Oh, we just jumped the bitch.
Oh my god.
We just jumped that.
That was fun. I should probably scope it out first.
Yeah, a little bit.
That section's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Scooting and booting. Lucky brake block? Nope. We're good.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. It is finally fixed. So one of the biggest mistakes I made with this whole process is that I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions and assumed it was something bigger when it was very much something small and, as always, right in front of my face. So that's kind of one of my biggest regrets, because I spent money that I didn't have to on like injectors, coils, but at least going forward, I know those are good. Since this is a car I do plan on drifting, at least I have that peace of mind that I don't have to replace those in the future. And if I do need another set of coils, I have a whole spare set up. So yeah, man, I don't know, I'm really happy to have this car back out. But next video is also going to be on this car. Got something just sitting, well, I've had sitting since it's been down, to change up on this car. But yeah, I guess that's all for now. Thank you for watching if you actually watch this, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.